Now we're going to look at the next section of tornado. This is going to be section B. In B, you got a lot of flams and a lot of flam drags with accents and unaccented notes in it. Again, the rhythmic accuracy is super important, especially when you get to the second measure, the second half of it, where you got the flam, drag, and then a triplet right in there. This is like a real common place to slur stuff. This needs to be very specific. So all of section B before the roll, you have okay, so let's try playing that together. We're taking the repeat, so you'll play those two measures twice. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so you have to really control everything that's happening here. At a faster speed, it's really easy to kind of just do this. But it can be really sloppy and everything can sound slurred unless you work it out slow and stroke everything out. Everything needs to be very specific. And it's very common for people to take the diddles and kind of drop them in there, but you still have to stroke them out. Even if it's a fast speed, you have to stroke it out. Or you'll never hear those two notes when you play them. So let's try taking the section. We won't take the repeat, but we'll just do those two measures, but really slow. And the reason why we're going this slow is I want you to nail the accuracy of the rhythms. 1, 2, ready, and go. And that's it. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, and go. All right, that was better. Let's do it again. 2, ready, and go. And let's do it again. Ready, go. Okay, let's speed it up a little bit. About there. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let's do that and then take the repeat of it. So it's the first half of section B, those two measures, and repeat that. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so let's talk about the next couple 4 measures that has the rolls in it, and I'll do that in a different video.